Okay, I'll be there in a sec. I cleared the camcorder earlier, so we should be good. I just gotta grab it. Yeah. All right, I'll see you. Isn't it with like E. coli and stuff?
And they were
It's a myth.
What's a little E. coli ever done anyone?
Is that your statement?
Yeah.
Jake for president. Yo. There's a whole cave down.
See a lot of spray paint.
Alright, Jake. Let's go.
Dude.
There's nothing here.
What else found?
The fuck is that?
Dude, no idea. I just kind of found it in the mud over there.
Whatever it is, just leave it.
What do you mean leave it?
What are you talking about, dude?
Bro, it's got to be a relic of some sort. Like, look where we found it.
A relic? It's a
relic.
sewer. Whatever it is, bro, just leave it. Alright?
Like, nah, bro,
we
like,
don't need to
imagine-
mess with that.
Like, bro, like, what if it's like a time machine? Like,
No, no, dude! Don't freak out.